If there's one smartphone that can make speed its mascot, it has to be OnePlus. And that's exactly what they have done with the collaboration with McLaren. The OnePlus 6T McLaren edition is due to launch tomorrow in India, and OnePlus is calling it the world's fastest daily driver. While we will certainly test the phone out in the tracks, let's take a look at what you get inside the papaya orange box. This is a special edition phone, and the packaging does make you feel like you own something special. The first thing you see when you take the lid off is the booklet defining the collaboration, outlining the shared philosophy of the two brands, and the phone is housed in the booklet itself. With a subtle orange shade around the edges, the special edition OnePlus phone certainly looks rad. Look closer and you will even notice the carbon fiber finish. Under the booklet is a McLaren case, a chunk of McLaren's chassis, the new warp charge adapter, the charging cable, and a 3.5mm to USB-C dongle. Now what makes the OnePlus 6T different or faster than the rest is the 10GB RAM under the hood. After the new Mi Mix 3, it's only the second phone to come with 10GB of RAM. The Snapdragon 845 is the engine, and there's 256GB of boot space. As for warp charge, it delivers 30 watts of power to the phone, topping up the 3700 mAh battery to 50% in just under 20 minutes. Now this was our unboxing of the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. We will be using the phone for the next few days to see whether anyone should buy this. Now shoot us your questions in the comments, and for more videos like this, do subscribe to Digit.in.
And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications every time we upload a new video.